Oh, hey YouTube. So, yeah, another burger. So this time it will be the bacon egg noodle cheeseburger. Another one of his older burger recipes. But first we got some more of our Texas toast. Toasting in some country crock. Because our pan, of course, was clean, so we didn't have any residual grease in it, so we just added a little bit of crock to help it out. Alright, so while the buns are toasting, we're going to break up this noodle pack. He just uses a normal beef noodle, so this is beef. I think first I'll take the seasoning out. Right, there we go. Oh, yeah. Break it up a bit and pour it into a bowl. And add the seasoning packet. And then we'll add water. Then we'll microwave this until it's done. I think a minute 30 should be okay. Alright, I think noodles should be done by now. Ah, fuck. Ouch. There we go. Nice and steamy. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice and soft. Seems like working. A little longer. Alright YouTube, these are done. Oh shit, here. Let me get this way. Alright, so he actually uses real butter to cook the cheeseburger. So we'll put a dollop in there first. And we'll season. He seasons the burger with the meat, with the rust, I think. So again, just going to use our all-purpose meat seasoning. Season side down first, of course, and then a little bit on top. Then, of course, his signature dollop of butter on top.
And then we're going to take the butter, and this small little sliver is going to go on top of our burger patty. And that should be enough butter and grease for our burger and our bacon.
Alright, so I drained out some of the broth like he does, so there's not really any water left in there. So we'll just snack off on a few. We don't really need all of them. So flavored. Yeah, the seasoning packets in there.
Oh.
Good? Yeah, it's looking good.
How are those?
Oh yeah, good man. I love how there's no butter in them or anything.
Oh yeah.
There, patty's done, and we have a cheese black sludge once more. So in this sludge of black, we're going to cook 2 pieces of bacon from our old bacon bag. So let's fish out 2 here and break them into 2. Baste it with the sludge. Look at that. Nice and sludge-like. Just pure flavor. Kind of looks like Pepsi. Alright, little bacon nubs are done, so we'll call it. Why does he use a spatula? I guess he doesn't have tongs.
Alright everyone, drink combo time. Today we are making the Cobra salted peanut head. So we have a salted caramel whiskey and a peanut butter whiskey. So the ones he has are Bird Dog. Yeah, Bird Dog whiskeys, peanut butter, and salted caramel. But we could only get so many bottom shelf whiskeys up here from America. So today we're using the Old Smoky, which is not the best, and Crown, which is my favorite. I love Crown. So we'll just mix these together. So I don't know if we actually finished it or mixed it with something else. So we're not going to do too much. Just enough to taste, because this is going to be hard. Give a little swish. So these have both been in the fridge for a couple weeks now. So they're nice and cold.
Oh boy.
All right. So, Cobra salted peanut
Head.
Oh man, that is, yeah. Sweet and strong. That peanut butter does not taste good.
I think it tastes pretty good.
It's very sweet.
Yeah, you're right about being sweet. Yeah, and then just the punch in the mouth from the alcohol, strong alcohol.
Yeah, I don't know if he actually finished it or mixed it with something, but that's what he called it.
There's no way he drank this straight. No way.
It's too strong, you think?
It's too strong.
Here, see, you'll have some of this drink I made.
Okay, so the drink combo's done. It allowed everything to kind of cool off a bit. The next thing is I have to take 2 of these pieces of bacon and break it up into the noodles. It's cooled off sufficiently. Let's get that little mix in there. And now we had to take 2 eggs and break them into the noodles. I totally screwed that one up. Yeah. Shit, I think I got a bunch in there.
Adds flavor.
No, I didn't. It's all good.
Eggshell membrane's good for the joints.
Now we just kind of give it a little mix. It's all incorporated. And we are going to microwave this, and with the egg, it'll make everything stick together in a patty. No, you don't want to touch that. And micro. Again, just microwave until it's solidified and the eggs are cooked. So meanwhile, so he uses Gouda slices, but I just can't find Gouda slices. So I'm just gonna use these Swiss slices. It's really similar cheese. So we need 1 on the patty, and then we'll just add the bacon to it. And then of course it's not enough cheese. There'll have to be 1 more slice on top of the bacon. Yes. Oh, that does not look so good.
Is it done?
It's done. It's really hot and dry. So it kind of just like... So
Has it congealed?
Yes, that's the whole point. The eggs make it all stick together, and it comes out as just like one patty.
The thing is, if you did this on the pan with an omelet, it'd do the same thing.
Yeah, but bowl.
In microwave.
Microwave. Yeah.
Oh god.
You hear that?
Yeah.
So again, that's why he eats some of the noodles, because then it's not so big. You gotta add it to... Oh, it's so hot.
Move your hand.
I'm trying, I'm sorry. Oh, it's so hot. Oh
my god.
There we go. Beautiful. Nice little nude patty here. There we go. I think it's a little too big still. I should have eaten more noodles, but I digress.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Another slice of cheese. Because of course. That's 2. And now we had to add 7 spicy Doritos. He has a Dorito spicy, but I don't know. Have you ever seen it at the store?
Probably once, I'm not sure.
Lo and behold, now we're gonna grab our spicy nacho Doritos. And we're gonna take a couple of our spicy nacho Doritos and just place it on top of our Gouda cheese.
So we'll just use a sweet chili heat. It's spicy.
Using the right Doritos isn't going to save this.
Nah, it's close enough. At least it's the spice. At least these are spicy. So we put 7. So we'll try to get some good 7 good ones on here. It's kind of even coverage. Oh, that's so good. Of course, one more slice. Okay, so now we're going to microwave this mountain of this food to melt the cheese. So let's put it in for like a minute, see what happens.
Ah, it stinks.
Like what?
I don't know. It stinks.
Ugh. It's kind of all falling over. Hold on. There you go. The rubber cheese is melted. So now we'll have to add some Hidden Valley Ranch, just the normal one, to the top bun. Ugh. Just gotta spread that around a little bit there. Yeah. Ugh.
I'm thinking a nice Hidden Valley Ranch. Alright. So now we're going to place the bun on top. Boop! Stick it.
And on top it goes. And now we do flip it around, and then it's done. Oh, look, it's completely wet, like falling apart. Grease. And there you have it, the bacon egg noodle cheeseburger. All right, well. First impressions, very greasy, very spongy. All right, YouTube, we're supposed to have a cigarette before eating, but we don't smoke because we aren't sexy goth bad boys like he is, so we're just gonna dig in right away. So go ahead and try a slice. It's heavy. Look at it. God. Got the chip layer there, bacon, beef. Okay, just eat it. Get scooting around. Oh my god. You eat like an apple. Is it hot? Yeah. I can hear the squishiness. It's so rubbery. Ugh. Oh, the noodles, man. Oh, I don't know. There's something off about it. I think it's the microwaved egg is the problem. Now let me have a try. Ugh. Like some of the Doritos and I don't know. Oh. Yeah, those noodles are overcooked. The chips are just not good because they're still crunchy, but the crunch doesn't go well with everything else. The sound. The beef's pretty good, but yeah, those noodles, those microwaved egg and overcooked noodles. There's nothing about it that's like instant, like disgusting, but in the ranch, like the ranch is like pretty normal. It's not too bad. Yeah, noodles do not belong with like, I don't know, it's just off. I would say we both agree that this does not get the seal of approval.
It does not get the seal of approval.
It's the salty rubberiness of everything. Thanks for watching. Alright, you two, this is what happens when a recipe doesn't get the seal of approval.